what's happening is it's either a fire or a line blowing up. Something going on over there. The wind's getting crazy. Really bad, but look, we got power lines down, the power's out, and there's a fire or a power line or something going off over there. Guys, it's getting, like I said, it's about 2 in the morning, 2:30, it's getting worse, just like I said it would. Alright, check in again a little later. You guys keep praying for Florida. Look at this, it ain't pretty, it ain't good.